1-2 Hijiduatilu. This is August Corpus for my homeland. From the peaks of Tongabang, Parahu to the city's heartland. Let me tell you a story so grand, about the beautiful culture of Sunderland. Let's go! I represent Sunder with every single breath I take. The Sunder soul is strong, make no mistake, from the Sunder straight. With Krakatau roar to the Sunder rhythms that I can't ignore. They could copy and Suling a Sunder melody so sweet, got me tapping my feet to that hypnotic beat. The Sunder language, Lamise, and so polite, makes every conversation feel warm and bright. Yeah! Sunder, this is the sound of Sunder. Hear it loud and clear. Sunder, the spirit of Sunder, conquering every fear. Sunder, this is my Sunder pride, flowing deep inside, with the Sunderland as my eternal guide. Yeah. Sunder, teaches Sunder life, the Sunder way. I'm proud to say, Sunder, gonna rap my Sunder culture every single day, Lord. Sunder, take a bite of the Sunder food, so rich in taste that Sunder lullaby will never go to waste. A plate of Sunder, Nasty Timble, simple and true, with a spicy Sunder sample. See what it can do. The Sunder scenery, the tea plantations, green and pure. A Sunder beauty that will forever endure. The legends of Sunder, Prabhu Siliwangi, the king of Sunder, the phenomenal persons. A Sunder story that forever will be told. Yeah! Sunder, this is the sound of a Sunder. Hear it loud and clear. Sunder, the spirit of Sunder, conquering every fear. Sunder, this is my Sunder pride, flowing deep inside, with the Sunderland as my eternal guide. Yeah. Sunder, teach the Sunder life, the Sunder way. I'm proud to say, Sunder, gonna rap my Sunder culture every single day. Sunder. Some of the strangers, that's the Sunder heart. A Sunder virtue, a magnificent work of art. Respect for nature, that's the Sunder core. The Sunder wisdom, we always want some more. Through the Sunder history, the Sunder kings of past, the Sunder legacy that's built to forever last.